Have you ever wondered how people who are mean, they have ill will towards others, they haven't handled any of their internal struggles, blaming their parents, still angry at society, but yet they still seem to manifest abundance? How is that possible? This is how it's possible. They have absolute conviction, certainty that that is what they deserve, regardless of the 3D conditions. That is how. I used to think about this a lot when I was younger, and it made me so angry. So angry. I used to tell myself, how the hell are these people who don't give a shit at all, angrily driving, angrily treating people terribly everywhere they go, yet they live in a big house. They have a lot of abundance, a lot of cars, a lot of money. Are they truly abundant? Yes, they are. Because they have absolute conviction that they deserve it. They know. And truth be told, it's kind of a narcissistic personality disorder. You kind of got to be a little narcissistic about it, but in a good way. And I know that sounds weird, but it's the truth. That is where you should begin. If it feels impossible, if you look around and it looks impossible, just know it is your divine right.